Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Jenny. Jenny, thank you so much for being a patron again this month. She requested a sticker, some stickers in the Hello Winter sticker book. So I'll have this link down in the description. I have a discount code if you're interested in purchasing, but it's a really pretty theme. Let me see. I actually have another patron who requested this theme too. That's how popular it is because it's just really, really gorgeous. Like, look at that one. So pretty. So I'm going to use this page. Actually, there's two different pages here that I can use for this horizontal spread. And then these gorgeous florals. There's even boxes I can pull from here too. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to bring in a couple other books too as well. But that's basically it. I'm going to use these, maybe some washi, and bring in a couple other books. Sorry for like the lighting, but my blinds, it's a whole thing. So, and I'm filming in the morning and the sun is coming in and it's actually a really pretty day outside. So that's good. But I have these, you know, the light beams coming through. All right, so going to this page. Oh, don't have any wax paper nearby, so I'm just gonna go with it. So, all right, I have this really long piece which actually could fit here. I feel like I never use those really long pieces. Maybe I should. Okay, let me do that. It's really pretty. All right, actually first I need to white this out. And this actually fits inside of here. I'm just gonna put it right inside this section, like so. All right, let me see what other floral pieces I can use before I move on. I want to do this piece here. This is a corner piece. Oh, I didn't realize it was a corner piece. You know what? Let me do it up here in this corner. All right, and then I can do this one. This is another corner piece. I'm gonna just put down here. Oops. And then I can do a floral piece in the middle because there's these like, these are like no side, no corner pieces. So I'm just going to put it here and then I'll work around that. All right, so those are all the florals that I plan on putting on the page. Now, I'm gonna put boxes down first, and then I could put little scenes. The scenes are so pretty. I have these pink boxes, which I wanna use. Let's do this pink one here. Now, Jenny uses this for journaling, so that's what I used to use this planner for, this layout, just for journaling. You know, I should rip these pages out. Let me see if I can do that. They're supposed to be perforated. Sometimes I have a little bit of issue. Oh, there it goes. Perfect. So that sheet, I don't have to keep flipping through this book. This is a big book. This is like, how many pages? 60 pages in this book. All right, so let's see which scene. I really like this one. It's a moon scene. I can kind of just layer this on top. Okay, I'm gonna grab another box. I think this dark blue. Yeah, it's a pretty dark blue. All right, I'm gonna do 2 scenes probably on this side. So I feel like I took up a lot of room with this. So I can do 2 over here. And I think I want to do like one of these town scenes and then one of these like more like more in the forest kind of scene. So let me pull this one. I really like this one a lot. This one's really pretty. Oh, I kind of just want to mix it with the flowers. Oh, jeez, I keep putting it down. I don't mean to put it down. Oh, but then you know what? I cover up too much of Thursday. Okay, let me rethink this. I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Grab a box. I'm just grabbing a dark blue box. Layering this on top. And I'm gonna grab a pink box. And then I can do one more scene like over here in this corner. So I'm gonna do this little one right here. All right, so I'm just gonna go and stick some boxes down in a few places. Just like even some of these little ones. Just scatter boxes around. And then I'll do some blue ones too. And then some of these little ones too. So I usually film at night or like, yeah, not like right in the morning. It's like, what time is it? It's like 8 o'clock. So I usually don't have to deal with this issue, but my desk is just too close to the blinds that I can't like close them properly. My desk was installed wrong, so I need my coworkers to come back out here and install it correctly, so that way I have some space in between where my desk is and then like where the slider is. But until that gets fixed, I have to deal with this. But again, I don't really film too much during the morning. I just had I just had a meeting get canceled, and then I thought I had another meeting, but turns out I had the wrong date. So I have extra time. So I woke up early to do those things, and now I have time to get some stuff done. So trying to just be productive, I guess. That's what I'm trying to do. All right, I think that's it for boxes. Let's see, I do have words. I think the only word I can really use is today, because this is a journaling planner, so I don't want to put like to do or anything like that. That wouldn't make sense. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple of these because I don't have very many words to choose from. So I'll just do the today from this one. I guess I could do notes, but... Oh, and then I can put bullet points down too. But before I do that, I want to go into this rainbow book. And... oh no, this won't work. I thought this purple would work, but nah, it's not gonna work. Okay, never mind. There are quotes in this book. Where are they? I'm gonna do these. This one says Winter Wishes. Trying to think if I like this. I think this is too bold for like this pretty delicate spread. It's just clashing too much for me. If this was like a thinner font, let me see if I can find one to explain that. No, there isn't. I just think these are too thick. That makes sense. Yeah, I need something more delicate to go with this theme. Okay, so scratch that. Ooh, I do have washi. I don't know if this washi goes. I think this is, no. I wanted to do purple because there's purple in here. And I do have this purple washi that I just got from Amazon. I actually really like this. It's from like a rainbow pack that I just got. So this will be my first time actually using it in a spread. This is a pretty purple. Now, where do I put it though? I sometimes wish this gray line was in here. I'm gonna do it here though. But yeah, I really like this washi. Just adds a little bit of color on there, which is good. I'm gonna put some down here. And then I think just the same. So yeah, this one came with like 2 different thicknesses of washi. It came with this thickness as well. And quite a bit of colors to choose from. And I think it was only like $10 for the pack. So I have that linked. Again, I got it off of Amazon. Pretty good deal. Put some down here. I really like this purple. So I need to find quotes that'll work with this spread. This light. Yeah, I need to find quotes. You know what? I think I might put a little bit more. Maybe. You know what? I want to fix this too because I don't like that the line is going through. You know what? No. I have to leave it because it's just going to rip. Should have taken care of that beforehand, but that's okay. And then I'm just going to put a little bit down here. It's like a subtle change, but I think it helps. Okay, so yeah, I need to find quotes. I'm trying to think right now, like where I can find some winter themed quotes that are delicate looking. So let me try to figure that out. I have essential quotes. I don't know if these are gonna work. I mean, there's some like blue tones maybe I could pull from. We'll see. All right, like I have this, but I don't think it goes. Blue is really hard for me to find in books. I wish there were more options. Like these are pretty. I don't know if this goes. And it's not terrible. It's not the exact pink. I don't know. Just gonna leave that there. Those are way too bright. I kind of like this one. I'll have to add black over to this side, I think. This one says radiate kindness. Okay, I like that. I think that works better than this, to be honest. Okay, I like that. Going with that. And then I think that the last thing I'm gonna do is just add in a couple more, well, I'm just gonna add in a couple of bullet points and then I should be done. Turned out really pretty though. All right, so I have these bullet points in here that I'm gonna grab. Grab some pink ones. Just like to add these around the spread a little bit. Actually, I think I need more blue. Some blue over here. And then maybe a couple blue ones on this side. Perfect. Okay, so that is going to be my spread for Jennie. I love how it turned out. So pretty. Again, this sticker sheet, these stickers are gorgeous. The scenes, the colors, the watercolor, the florals, so pretty. Definitely check it out. It is in Hello Winter. So Jennie, I hope you liked this spread. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching as well. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm almost to 30K in subscribers, so that's exciting. So definitely help me out with that. But yeah, I hope to see you in the next video.